Hello everyone, my name is Dave Partner. In this course, I'll be taking you through how to build Laravel 5.6 applications super fast. Not just 5.6, but any version of Laravel between 5.0 and 5.6. Now the technique I'm going to teach in this course will teach you how to reduce the workload involved in getting a Laravel project done. Alright, so let me just run you through a little about me. My name is Dave Partner and this is my GitHub profile. I have over 63 repositories or softwares that I've put out there, open source software that I've written. And my occupation, my daily occupation is software development. And I currently have the best Laravel 5.5 tutorial on the internet. So if you go to Udemy and type Laravel 5.5, my tutorial will be the first that you will see. So you can be sure that you're in a good hand while taking this Laravel course. And then finally, on YouTube, I have made over 530 programming video tutorials. Now the next thing we're going to look at is why this course is important. This course is important for the following reasons. It introduces a new way to scaffold Laravel 5.x applications. That is, any Laravel application that falls between 5.0 and 5.6 currently. It reduces the workload required for a developer to get a project complete. Imagine a project that would have taken you 2 weeks to do. After taking this course, you will see how you can do it in 2-3 days. Very fast. Lots of shortcuts. Now, it introduces how to set up admin panels without having to go through the stress. Now, have you ever seen some of those Laravel applications or just websites that have awesome admin panels? And you're wondering, how will I be able to set this up to this extent? In this course, I'll show you how to do that using just one simple command line. Just one line in your command line, and the host admin is set up for you. Now, finally, we're going to look at what the final objective will be. At the end of this course, you should be able to download and set up new Laravel projects or continue from an existing one. Of course, that's the basics, but this course is not just about the basics. You should be able to install Laravel scaffolding generators. These are kind of packages or libraries that help you to build Laravel applications very fast. And then you should be able to scaffold already existing Laravel applications. And finally, you should be able to set up admin layout easily. Alright, so I'm going to show you through the course outline and the topics we'll be covering in this course. In this course, we'll be going through some super fast prototyping techniques. And here are the course outlines. The first one is we'll cover some introduction. I'll introduce you to the whole process. Then I'll help you to download and set up your Laravel. And of course, this is the basics. If you already know the basics, you don't need this. Then secondly, I'll help you to set up Laravel and install authentication. And then we gradually advance into more complex stuff. As you can see, these ones, we didn't spend much time on them. So we're going to install a Laravel scaffolder. This is the part that starts dealing with this course directly. Then we go to set up providers and aliases. Then we generate layouts. There are several types of layouts we can generate depending on what we want. We never have to code any CSS or HTML. We just run a command line and the beautiful layout will be generated for us. Then we'll take another look at migrations, and then we generate our full application from our database. And then we understand what the file structure looks like, because the method we're going to use here will introduce a slightly different file structure for some folders in your Laravel app, such as a resources folder. So we're going to look at it. But then overall, this method will save you days and days of work. Have you ever had to do a job in Laravel, a project in Laravel, and you were wishing it's going to take you a much shorter time to achieve? Alright, so this is the course that you have to take to get that sorted out. Now this course is 1 hour on-demand video, and then you have full lifetime access once you're able to get it. Alright, so thank you very much. See you in the first lectures in this course.